Good morning and welcome to Speed Superbikes, and this our video, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. So it is on a 73 plate, first registered in January 2024. It has done 2,070 miles, one owner, and we have literally just serviced it. So it is all ready to go. Being the factory model, does have the fully electronic Öhlins suspension and the upgraded Brembo brake calipers. So R&G bungs. It's pretty much a full set. You've got them on the bottom of your forks there, and you've also got them just there on the back. It does look lovely in this colour. You know, the Tuono factory, 170 plus brake horsepower, still probably one of the best super nakeds on the market. Other than the bungs, it is pretty much a stock bike. It's not even got a stock tail tidy on there. We do also have rear seat and pegs for it. Not sure I'd want to be a pillion on one. And it is in really nice condition. It's got all the bits on it: quick shifter, anti-wheelie, cruise control, traction control, pretty much you name it, it's got it. Obviously a full colour dash, which again is lovely. I forgot to mention it does have your brake lever guard just on the end there. Again, it is just a cracking machine. That V4 engine is like nothing else in sound, and the way it makes its power, from its low down torque to the way you can really give it some beans. So yeah, if you're interested in this bike or any of the other bikes we've got in stock, please visit our website www.speedthrills.co.uk, or alternatively give us a call on 01392 211 246. Thank you very much for watching.